Ajay Devgan, ladies and gentlemen. तालियां तो बनती हैं भाई, बिल्कुल बनती हैं. Also, let me tell you, जैसा हम बात कर रहे थे, of course all the units are already out. जो हमने अभी तक देखा है, उसको बड़ा सारा प्यार मिला है. बीट बिरंगे, जिसका लॉन्च जयपुर में हुआ था, and these guys were there. Of course, Rasha and Aman वहाँ पे थे, उस कॉलेज में थे. देख के बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा था कि न्यू कमर्स हैं या डेब्यू करने जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज जिस तरह से वहाँ पे प्यार इन लोगों को मिला, यू नो, द इंटायर कॉलेज वेंट क्रेजी. एंड इनका जो स्वागत हुआ है वहाँ पे, उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स जो आजाद है 2 सॉन्ग है, उसकी बात कर लें, या उही अम्मा. ऑफ कोर्स वी ऑल सीन उही अम्मा, राइट? You guys were telling me कि वो कुछ रील्स आप भी बनाने वाले हो, वो स्टेप्स मैच करने पड़ेंगे राशा से, है ना? तब देखते हैं किसकी रील में कितना दम होता है. और यहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स और भी जो यूनिट्स हैं उनकी बात करेंगे, लेकिन जैसा मैंने कहा, वी हैव आवर सुपरस्टार्स हियर. सो तैयार हैं हम लोग? All set to get down to some serious entertainment? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up, Ajay Devgan. This superb storyteller, of course he's a director, लेकिन साथ ही he's a brilliant storyteller. जैसा ये करते कोई और कर नहीं सकता. Please put your hands together for director Abhishek Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome sir. Abhishek sir के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Welcome sir. And now यहाँ बुलाना चाहूँगा उनको, जो कि of course whenever they've backed a project, वो बिल्कुल कमाल होता है और हर किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आता है. Cine lovers love these people as producers, as people who've backed some wonderful content in the past and आगे भी करते रहेंगे. हमारे producers Ronnie Screwwala साहब and Pragya Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for them. Understand their audiences and उनके taste को इनसे बेहतर कोई और नहीं समझ सकता. And now I'd like to invite on stage, thank you so much for being here, would like to invite on stage someone जिनको जब भी हमने स्क्रीन पे देखा है, मतलब वो कहते हैं ना, I'm sorry sir, आग ही लग जाती है. Give it up for Diana Penty, ladies and gentlemen, in this very खूबसूरत avatar. Please give it up for her. Welcome, Diana. Thank you so much for being here. I was seriously, looking forward to seeing you and interacting with you here. Of course, we were talking about, and sir, आप सबको बड़ा फख्र होगा इस बात को का, Abhishek sir तो थे जयपुर में. The kind of response the song launch got over there was out of the roof, sir. जहाँ ये newcomers जा रहे हैं, इनको already superstars का ठप्पा लग गया है. So I'd like to invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, the 2 very promising newcomers. Give it up for Aman Devgan and Rasha Thadani, please. There they come. So good to see you. Welcome and congratulations. साथ ही अब यहाँ जिन्हें बुलाने जा रहा हूँ, इतना ही कहूँगा, टेलीविजन एंड डिजिटल डोमेन में उन्होंने ऑलरेडी रूल किया है, सबके दिल जीते हैं, लेकिन अब इस फिल्म के साथ अपना बड़ा डेब्यू करने जा रहे हैं, इस कमाल की स्टार कास्ट के साथ, इन वंडरफुल क्रिएटर्स के साथ. Give it up for Mohit Malik, ladies and gentlemen. There he comes. Welcome Mohit. Thank you so much for being here. I know आपको उनसे सुनना है, उनको क्या बोलना है, कैसे बोलना है, and of course we have to see the trailer on that big screen, but उससे पहले this is your moment. Come on, go click with the entire team. We'll do this one big picture and a trailer for you. The team of Azad, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Thank you. I would request our stars to kindly be seated and trailer enjoy करें आप लोग भी इस बड़े पर्दे पर हम सब के साथ. 17th January is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters, ladies and gentlemen. We've already loved the units. We've loved the teaser. We are already in love with the songs. So here we go. without any further ado, as we welcome him on the big stage. Sir, thank you so much for being here. It's so good to see you. And यहाँ साथ में खड़े होके ही मतलब काम हो जाता है. I'm sure Rasha और अमन के लिए, of course, working with him on that big screen वो अलग level होगा. Sir, 2024 was brilliant for you. शुरुआत हुई कहीं ना कहीं शैतान के साथ, उसके बाद सिंघम अगेन में हमने उसको एंड किया, और अब यहाँ पे इस फिल्म के साथ इस साल की शुरुआत होने जा रही है. What do you have to say on that? And I believe you have this very special something for this movie. Please talk to us about it, sir.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी. स्पेशल मतलब ये फिल्म मेरे लिए काफ़ी मायनों में स्पेशल है. पहला तो ये कि इस फिल्म में दो नए बच्चे लॉन्च किए जा रहे हैं, बोथ वेरी टैलेंटेड. एक जो मेरी कलीग और मेरे दोस्त की बेटी है, और एक अमन जो मेरे बेटे जैसा नहीं बट बेटा है. दोनों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, दोनों बहुत ही टैलेंटेड हैं. और अभिषेक, who's known to launch new stars, I would say, not kids, and he's always been successful with that. And बहुत patience है इसमें नए लोगों को, you know, I wouldn't say झेलने का, but उनको संवारने का. But they've done very well, all of them. और दूसरा रीज़न मैं कहूँगा कि जो मेरा प्यार है घोड़ों के लिए. जब हमने शुरू किया था तो बहुत घोड़ों की फिल्में आती थी, और यू नो बहुत मज़ा आता था. सारा दिन हम घोड़े पे ही लगे रहते थे, घूमते रहते थे. बहुत टाइम के बाद फिर आई थिंक लास्ट वाज बहुत सालों के बाद थी तानाजी, बट अब फिर ये फिल्म. एंड अभिषेक हैज़ गॉट सम लवली हॉर्सेस, एंड यहाँ से भी और वहाँ से जो क्रू है, जो ट्रेन किया, जिस प्यार से घोड़ों को रखा. और हम लोग 40-45-50 डिग्री नियरली उसमें जयपुर में शूट कर रहे थे, और जिस तरीके से हमारी हालत थी और फिर जो घोड़ों को जैसे संभाला जा रहा था, आई थिंक इट वाज लवली टू वॉच. बहुत मज़ा आया.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. अजय सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. यहाँ पे अब उन्हें बुलाना चाह रहा हूँ. सर, यू टॉक्ड अबाउट द डायरेक्टर साहब एंड वी मेट इन जयपुर, और उनकी बातें सुनने के बाद पहली चीज मैंने की थी, मैंने कहा सर कितना पैशनेटली आप इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. कह रहे मेरी फिल्म में नहीं करूंगा क्या यार, मैं इतनी मेहनत इसके पीछे गई है. ऑफ कोर्स अ वंडरफुल वंडरफुल स्टोरी टेलर इज व्हाट आई कॉल हिम. गिव इट अप फॉर अभिषेक कपूर साहब, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, द डायरेक्टर ऑफ आजाद. वेलकम सर. अभिषेक सर, एक ही चीज बोलना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे सबसे पहले कि सर ने जैसा कहा, न्यू कमर्स नहीं, यू एक्चुअली वर्क विद स्टार्स. कहीं ना कहीं यू ऑलरेडी सी दैट इन देम. फिर चाहे वो सारा अली खान की बात हो, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की बात हो, या राजकुमार राव को उनका वो जो बड़ा वाला ब्रेक मिला था काय पोचे से हम कहेंगे. सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट डिड यू सी इन दीज टू लवली पीपल? एंड दूसरी चीज सर, whenever it's an अभिषेक कपूर डायरेक्टोरियल, वहां पे म्यूजिक अमेजिंग होता है. फिर केदारनाथ या चंडीगढ़ करे आशिकी. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से सर ऑन दैट?
You know, I am totally driven by the stories that I want to tell. और जब आप कहते हैं कि मैं न्यू कमर्स को लॉन्च करता हूँ, मैं एक्चुअली जो किरदार मेरे कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं फिल्म कहानी बोलने में, मैं उनमें जान डालने की कोशिश करता हूँ. और वो ऑलरेडी वो कैरेक्टर्स मेरे लिए स्टार्स होते हैं, क्योंकि मैं जब सोता हूँ तो उनके बारे में सोचता हूँ. तो जब आप राशा और अमन की बात करते हैं तो मुझे उनमें गोविंद और जानकी नज़र आते हैं. You know, and I am driven. They are, I know them in and out. You know, और मेरे लिए वो बच्चे जैसे होते हैं. और ये मेरी पूरी कहानी, सारे कैरेक्टर्स मेरे बच्चों जैसे होते हैं. And I have to do justice to them. I have to do justice to the story. I have to do justice to every character in that film. And I do the best I can. You know, and it's you know, I think भोलेनाथ ऊपर से साथ देते हैं मेरा. और ऐसी फिल्म बनाने के लिए ये इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है. यू नो, इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल, जैसे इट्स नॉट अ प्रोजेक्ट कि आप किसी को लॉन्च करने के लिए आप फिल्म बनाए. दिस आर नॉट दोज फिल्म्स. दिस आर वेरी पैशनेटली ड्रिवन फिल्म्स, एंड यू नीड पीपल लाइक अजय, यू नो, बिकॉज दिस मैन इज, I've had such an experience working with him. When I sit with him and I talk to him, he's so grounded and he's so secure as an individual. He doesn't like, I've seen so many actors, you know, sometimes they are so insecure about so many factors that play on their mind, but he has none of that, you know. And once I have him supporting me and saying, yeah, I'm with you on this film, And it's not like he is the only, it's not a Ajay Devgan film, you know, it's Azad, and he's part of Azad, and that's the great part about him. Yeah, he can fit into a film like this, he can do a singer, he can do a film with Vishal Bhardwaj and become that, he can become anything. He's a chameleon, you know, and that's his mastery on his craft. But I would really like to add one thing, you know, which I don't get the chance to express, because you know, a film like this, to mount a film like this, like I said, it's not just a project or it's not a business opportunity. I cannot do it without the support of Mr. Ronnie Screwvala. You know, this man is such a fabulous individual. You know, when I meet him and I can see he's achieved so much in this field and in other arenas as well. But when you watch him work and the way he thinks, he's like an institution. You know, I learned so much from him about how I should operate. He's creative, and then his business acumen triggers at the way he checks himself, and at the same time, he doesn't compromise on the creative part of it, you know. So, I mean, it's not possible for films like this to be made without the blessings of this man. And, you know, every member of my crew, and it would not be fair if I didn't talk about my producer, my wife. You know, I mean, she's my wife, and people think, yaar, ek hi baat hai, magar, you know, एक director को झेलना, और वो भी आपके घर पे, और, you know, we actually end up being 24 hours together. So when I'm making a movie, I'm quite crazy, you know. It's very difficult to handle a person like that. And then when you are the producer of the film, you have to deal with all his professional bullshit also, you know, other than his personal one. So it takes a very strong and a solid person to handle a person like me. And I wanted to take this opportunity to thank her.
So sweet. So on that note, of course, we've talked about our producers. So we'll start with Ronnie, sir. Please give it up for Ronnie Screwvala, sir, and Pragya, ma'am. We would want you to be here with us. Give it up for Miss Pragya Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen, the producers of Azad. Ronnie, sir, thank you so much for doing this. Pragya, ma'am, thank you so much for being here. And I'll start with you, sir. So people know that when it's RSVP, and of course, Guy in the Sky Pictures, Saath Mein Aa Rahe, it has to be something exceptional. What do you have to say? What was that one thing that you saw in this story that you said that this is what I want to back?
With Gattu, it always starts with a story, it ends with a story. And I think, thank you for all your kind words, but really, that's what it is. Or, when he first told me this story, it was many, many years ago. So I think it stayed with him. So when he says, when he goes to sleep with his actors and wakes up with the story, it really means that. Because I think the first time he narrated it to me was almost 3 years before we actually said, overall, let's move with the film. So it's grown with him. And for him, it was not, I think what appealed to all of us was the entire story, because the background here, the setting here, in the period in which it is. It's not a boy and a horse, it's not a simple love story. There's an entire setting to the whole story, which is reasonably complex, but it all fits in. So I think that was very, 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 very appealing.
Thank you so much, sir. Pragya, ma'am, for you, you know, backing this project and, of course, backing this gentleman here, you've been doing that so beautifully for so many years. Talk to us about that.
First, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for being here. It's a very big day for us. Yeah, it's been 10 years, Ronnie, that we have been writing this film, and we have been working on it, and there have been multiple occasions where we have tried to make the film, and Ronnie has always been the first person there with us, trying to make it happen. And I think the main reason why we all keep coming back to is because whenever Abhishek speaks about Azad, his eyes light up, and there's fire. And you just know that when someone believes so much in something, it not only inspires you, you just have to support that vision. And I think that's what both of us really felt about this story. Yeah, now finally we are here 10 years later. You guys are seeing the trailer, and it wouldn't have been possible without this incredible cast. And I think that is what we were waiting for at the end of the day. That's why it took so long, because we needed this cast to come together. And yeah, I mean, thank you, all of you. I'm so grateful for all of you to be a part of this film.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. All right. On that note, I'd like to invite on stage the very gorgeous, the very talented Diana Penty, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, we got to make some noise for her. There she comes. Thank you so much. You know, on behalf of all cine lovers and your fans, I would say thank you so much for saying yes to this movie, to this
stop it.
project. Okay, so how was it working with this team of Azad? Please tell us.
You know, this is a very, very special story. That's the first thing I want to say, is that I think this was the first time that I heard the narration from Abhishek, and I felt the feelings that I would have felt if I was watching the film. It was that powerful, and I knew instantly that it was a project I wanted to be a part of. I want to be part of telling this story to the world. To be able to be in a film held by Abhishek Kapoor and starring opposite Ajay Devgan was two things crossed off my bucket list, professional bucket list. So that had me right there. Also to be able to play this character, it's probably one of the most layered, nuanced characters that I've ever played in a world that I wasn't that familiar with. You know, a very small town, traditional character, and in a period that, you know, we're all not obviously familiar with. So that also was very, very, you know, challenging and interesting, and it made me want to do it even more. But yeah, I think overall I'd say that this was a surreal experience and just the most soul-stirring, most satisfying experience of my film career.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing. January is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters, and now it's time to invite on stage the newcomers, जिनको already वो stars जितना प्यार मिल रहा है हर किसी से. People are looking forward to their performances on the big screen. Are we all set for this? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Aman Devgan and Rasha Thadani. Come on, we gotta make some more noise for them. भाई जो reception मिल रहा है ना हर जगह, that is something to watch out for. Aman, Rasha, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It's so good to see you. Okay, here we are. We have all these eminent journalists here. Like, abhi kya bolenge yahan pe after this response from them? And of course, whatever the teams just shared with us. Aman, we'll start with you. How special is this moment for you?
I think when we first started shooting this film, I was very nervous. I think we both were because we were just starting out.
We're still nervous.
And I am still nervous at this stage, but it's also accompanied with a lot of excitement, a lot of happiness. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि इतने सारे लोग यहाँ आए हैं, and I don't know, I think this moment will stay in my brain forever, till the end of time.
Right, one more thing. हर कोई जानना चाहता है. How was it working with this superstar here, Mr. Ajay Devgan?
I was so nervous. पहला दिन जब I shot with him, I was shit. What am I going to do? Because I was not seeing the character. I was saying, shit, this is Mr. Ajay Devgan standing in front of me. But I think Gattu sir helped me a lot in that moment. He calmed me down. He said, अपने किरदार को पकड़ो. ये अजय देवगन नहीं है. Nervous मत हो. And I think that helped a lot. With what Gattu sir said. Yeah.
And वो दिख रहा है उस बड़े पर्दे पे वो कंफर्ट दिख रहा है कि हाँ मुझे पता है मैं कहाँ हूँ और क्या कर रहा हूँ. You know वो कमाल की केमिस्ट्री दिख रही है. Give it up for Aman, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Moving on to the star, already a star. We're seeing these reels everywhere. We're seeing these videos, and they're like, "ये तो यार born star है." Rasha, what do you have to say? Standing here, सब लोगों के सामने, and इतना सारा प्यार you're getting.
This is like a crazy moment for me. I don't think I ever would have imagined this, me being here with all these beautiful people, because I'm so thankful, whether it's Ajay sir, Gattu sir, Pragya, Ronnie sir, I'm so thankful. And my co-actors, Amman, Diana, Mohit, I've learned so much from all of them. And I'm actually blanking out. I'm that nervous and excited, and I'm so full of emotion. But this is a dream moment for me. I'm so grateful.
All I want to say is, ladies and gentlemen, Rasha Thadani, ek baar zordar taliyan. We'd like to now invite on stage, as I said, this gentleman, of course, television pe inhone hum sab ke dil jeete hain. Uske baad digital domain maybe he's there, and how? Give it up for Mohit Malik, as this is his big Hindi film debut. Welcome, Mohit bhai. Thank you so much. देखिए सवाल जवाब बड़े सारे, लेकिन इस समय क्या चल रहा है मोहित भाई? You know, everybody talking about this film. ये सब लोग साथ आए हैं, अपनी powers को एक साथ लेके आए हैं और आजाद को बनाया है. What do you have to say?
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I want to take this opportunity to thank Gattu sir, Abhishek sir, for believing in me and making me a part of this film, having this profound trust in me that I can play Tej, and giving me that environment, such an homely environment, Pragya and Abhishek sir, so that I can deliver my best with honesty. And also making me a part of the film which has Ajay sir in it. And you know, it's a big moment for me. I can't tell you, as Rasha said, it's again a way, मतलब वो शब्द नहीं है मेरे पास बयां करने के लिए इस वक्त मैं क्या महसूस कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन I would just want to thank him. I'm so grateful to God, grateful to him for making me a part of this film. And thank you Pragya, thank you Ronnie sir, and of course the wonderful cast. Diana, मुझे एक पल के लिए भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि Diana के साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ और मेरी पहली फिल्म है. So thank you Diana for making me so comfortable. And of course these two, बहुत मस्ती करी, बहुत मज़ा किया और अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश की है. I hope सबको अच्छा लगे.
Sure, sir. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. Thank you so much. I would request all you lovely people to kindly be seated. And यहाँ पे I know हमारे पास बड़े सारे